Today I'm launching the kayak from Buxton Church and heading upstream towards Oxnead. Although there's been a church here since the Domesday Book of 1086, much of the building you see today dates from the 14th century. It's built from traditional Norfolk flint and has survived centuries of change, including a major Victorian restoration in the 1880s when its tower was rebuilt. Inside are medieval stone carvings, impressive memorials and stained glass. The bright yellow flowers lining the banks are ragwort. It may look beautiful, but it's one of the most poisonous plants for horses. In the midday heat, the river is peaceful, with graceful swans gliding along and very little else stirring. Today I'm lucky with the weather, with plenty of sunshine and a temperature of around 25 degrees. It's a Sunday, but still there's just a few of us paddling these waters. This stretch of the River Bure between Buxton and Oxnead was once much busier than it appears today. From 1779 until 1912, this section formed part of the Aylsham Navigation, an engineered waterway with locks built around the mills at Buxton, Oxnead, Bure and Aylsham. This allowed Norfolk trading wherries to travel all the way upstream to Aylsham. The River Bure is narrow here, winding through overhanging trees. I arrive at the tranquil Oxnead Mill Pool. A mill has stood here since the Domesday Book, and today's 19th century mill occupies a site that has been used over the centuries for paper making, blanket production and flour milling. It's a peaceful spot, steeped in history, and the perfect place to swim and pause before heading back downstream. Another wonderfully relaxing day in this beautiful part of Norfolk. It really doesn't get much better than this.